Okay, in relation to Ceist Punka Cahar, it already says to use the theorem of Pythagoras here to solve it. So I've written out what the theorem of Pythagoras here is, and I'm going to try and apply that to answer this question here, or at least write an equation in terms of x for this, so for part I. So I'm going to take my a squared, which is going to be my longest side squared, which is going to be 2x plus 2. My hypotenuse squared is equal to my other two sides added together. So squared down together. So b squared is going to be x plus 1 squared plus c squared is going to be x plus 2 squared. I'm going to expand all these then. So I'll do this side fully, and then I'll just do these quite quickly. So this is going to be 2x plus 2 by 2x plus 2. So everything in the bracket by itself, that's going to get me 4x squared. So I'm just taking this term by the first number, then this term again by the second number. So that gets me 4x squared. This will get me plus 4x. Now I'm taking my second term by the first term of the second bracket. So it'll be plus 4x again. And second term by the second bracket, which is plus 4. I can add these two together, which will get me 4x squared plus 8x plus 4. And that's all equal to, this is going to get me x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x squared plus 4x plus 4. There's a fast way to do that. I'll show you in school if you don't know the fast way to expand those brackets. But again, the same way as we did over here, where we just open up the bracket. So in other words, x plus 1 in one bracket by x plus 1 in another bracket, and then just multiply them out like I did at this left hand side would do just fine as well. So that's going to get me 2x squared plus 6x plus 5, and then I'm going to bring them all over to one side. So I had this line already down to here, so it's 2x squared plus 6x plus 5, and I'll just bring this 2x squared over and add it to my 4x squared. So it'll be 4x squared minus 2x squared will leave me with 2x squared. Then my x's, so bring my 6x over to this side of the equals as well. It'll become minus 6x, so it'll be 8x minus 6x is plus 2x. And bring my 5 over as well, so it'll be 4 minus 5 will give me minus 1. And that's this, that's my theorem of Pythagoras expanded to give me an equation in terms of x. And that's all you do for that part of that question.